Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, STL Text Me. The song is Text Me. The artist is Jamie Foxx and the choreography is Chris White, of STL, and Jeremy Sims of STL. STL flavor, that is. If you or someone you know is located in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you like this demo, if you like this line dance, at the end of this demo, check out the instructional where you can learn the step-by-step instructions. Okay, and let's go.
It's up to you, and you already know the things I like to do. I ain't beating around the bush, but you already know, so let's go. Baby, tell me how to get there. Send me a how to get there. Already started with a text message, and when sex, yes, it's true. I wanna be on you. Started with a text message, and when sex, yes, it's true. I wanna be on you. LOL smiley face, the emoji with the tongue out. Now I'm kissing you, touching you, freaking you over at your house. Cause girl, we started on the phone and face to face. Started a little slow, then pick up the pace. Everything I told you I was gonna do, I did it well except we didn't get to drink. Your body, I want it until the morning, baby. I can't lie for you, I'm a lover-holic. Tell me how to get there. Send me a the emoji with the tongue out. Now I'm kissing you, touching you, freaking you over at your house. Emoji with the tongue out. Now I'm kissing you, touching you, freaking you over at your house.
All right, guys, that was STL text me. If you like this video, check out the instructional. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.